Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start by ensuring Gimp is closed and that you know your OS and Gimp version. This matters because paths differ. Next, open Gimp and go to Preferences via Edit Preferences or the Gimp menu on Mac OS. Once in Preferences, you're looking for interface or system resources where language settings live. Make sure you don't have multiple copies running. If you can't find the menu, use the Application Launcher or Taskbar to reopen Gimp with administrative privileges so you can change system-wide locale. Now, inside Preferences, choose the Interface or Language panel. This is where Gimp reads the locale. You'll see a language drop-down, pick the language you want, and, if available, a specific locale variant like NGB versus NUS. Make sure to apply or save the change. Some builds show a checkbox to use system language versus explicit selection. Once applied, Gimp usually requests a restart so the translation files load. If you changed only one setting, that restart completes the swap, and you'll see menus update. Finish by closing and relaunching Gimp so the new language resources initialize. This step completes the change. If menus remain in the old language, make sure the language pack exists in the share/locale folder inside the Gimp installation and that you applied the selection in Preferences. If still stuck, set the lang environment variable for your user or install the missing language package from your package manager or Gimp installer. One key tip: run Gimp from a terminal to see error messages about missing locale files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.